Hello, I'm Professor Graeme Hopper, Consultant Orthopaedic Knee Surgeon at Ross Hall Hospital, part of Circle Health Group. I specialise in robotic assisted knee replacement surgery, using advanced technology that can help you recover faster than traditional surgery. You might be in search of some more information about robotic surgery and the benefits of having it. I'm here to help provide as much expert advice and information as possible ahead of your surgery. What is robotic assisted knee replacement surgery? In recent years, robotic surgery has revolutionised the way some consultants perform medical procedures. During robotic surgery, your surgeon uses a cutting-edge robotic system to perform procedures with greater precision and control than with some traditional techniques. At Circle Health Group, one of the robots we use is the VELYS robot, which is an innovative robotic tool that allows your consultant to perform knee replacement surgery with greater accuracy than is possible with traditional knee replacement surgery. How does a surgical robot help the surgeon? The idea of robotic surgery may sound daunting, but a robotic total knee replacement is still carried out by an orthopaedic surgeon. The technology is there to aid surgeons, not replace them, and is still guided by their hands. Robotic surgery helps your surgeon by enhancing their precision, control and visualization during the procedure. Using the specialized technology, your surgeon can maneuver the robotic arm, which translates their hand movements into extremely precise actions, often beyond what the human hand can achieve on its own. The system provides a high-definition view of the surgical site, improving your surgeon's ability to personalise alignment and accurately balance the knee while preserving the soft tissues. It also reduces hand tremors and allows for greater dexterity in confined or hard-to-reach areas. Overall, robotic surgery enables surgeons to perform operations with improved accuracy, potentially leading to better outcomes for patients. VELYS is a robotic arm that works in tandem with your surgeon, combining innovative technology with the skills and expertise of your consultant. The system uses CT-free technology to optimise implant placement and determine the right size and shape of the implant for you. This technology produces a more accurate and precise knee replacement than traditional methods. What are the benefits of robotic assisted knee surgery? Robotic assisted knee replacement surgery using VELYS technology offers several benefits that can really make a difference to your recovery and long-term results. For starters, many people find they spend less time in hospital and can return home sooner. One of the key advantages of the VELYS system is its precision, as I mentioned before. It helps your surgeon remove only the damaged parts of your bone and cartilage while protecting the healthy tissue and ligaments around your joint. This level of accuracy can improve the mobility of your knee, helping it to be more mobile after surgery. And some research has shown that people who've had robotic assisted surgery often report higher satisfaction and improved function. Traditional knee replacement surgery is a highly effective form of treatment for people with knee pain, but robotic assisted surgery comes with the range of added benefits and enhancements I mentioned, including a tailored approach that helps your consultant perform the procedure with increased accuracy and precision. What is recovery like after robotic knee replacement? Recovery after robotic knee replacement surgery can be faster and more comfortable than with traditional surgery, although it still requires time and dedication. Most patients are encouraged to start moving and walking soon after surgery, and physiotherapy usually begins shortly after to help restore movement, strength and flexibility in your knee. It's normal to experience some swelling, bruising and discomfort in the early days, but the advanced precision of robotic surgery often means less trauma to surrounding tissues in your knee, which can lead to generally more manageable pain levels. Full recovery can take around 6 weeks to a few months, depending on the individual and how closely they follow their rehabilitation plan. Patients are advised to attend all follow-up appointments, stick to a tailored exercise routine, and lead a healthy lifestyle to support their healing process and achieve the best possible outcome. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any more questions about robotic knee surgery, leave your comment in the section below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you'd like to arrange a consultation with me to discuss your potential surgery, you can book an appointment with me at circlehealthgroup.co.uk. Thanks again.